There are ways that the summer lends itself to breaking the law. Nothing too serious, but there are ways that we break the law, right?
There's also all sorts of different alternative transportation methods that are fun to use in the nice weather, but aren't necessarily street legal. Certain types of electric motor bicycles and dirt bikes that people like to use on the streets, people riding ATVs on sidewalks, things like that.
Can't do that?
No, you can't do that.
Okay,
no. In fact,
yeah.
you can't drive on the sidewalk at all on any type of
Right.
motorized vehicle.
That makes sense. Okay. And then I feel like there's rules around helmets, right? Like, are those actually enforced in terms of wearing a helmet on a normal bicycle?
It's not normally enforced, but you can expect in the summer months that the police are going to be more likely to be looking out for it. And the police officers that are inclined to enforce it are going to be doing more of that because they want to set the example and send the message to everybody that they need to comply with the law.
What about those Lime scooters? Do I have to wear a helmet for that?
You do have to use a helmet when you're riding one of those. And depending on where you are in British Columbia, you either have to ride it on the road or on the sidewalk. So pay attention to the specific municipalities' rules.
And I'm assuming the same rules apply when it comes to drinking and driving to drinking and cycling or drinking and scootering?
That's where it can get a little bit gray because if you are on a scooter that's within one of the pilot projects, it doesn't count as a motor vehicle. So you could technically drink and scooter. But
Bad idea, though. Bad idea.
Yeah, but if you're in a municipality outside of the pilot project, then it would be illegal to do it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So not really consistent. Depends where you are.
Yeah, it depends where you are in BC, how much drinking and riding you might be able to get away with.